All right, so let's begin. And it's currently what time it is. So it's 10:38 right now. I know I'm a bit late, but I'm still gonna grind, my Python uh, exercises because I have not done any problem solving in Python. And if you're doing programming and if you're not solving problems, then there is no point of learning the theoretical part of the coding or the programming part. So I'm just gonna proceed with the problem solving part. So you can see that if we get in the calendar, um, problem set 1, where's problem set 2? I don't see problem set 1. Okay, all right. So I'm actually supposed to do the problem set 1. So here I've already opened the the problem set 1. I'm gonna start from here. Okay, so it actually says that I'm actually supposed to use Spider, but just because I'm already using VS Code, I'm more comfortable with using VS Code rather than just using Spider. So uh, let's just proceed with the assignment. So it says write a program does the following at the top of the import numpy. All right, import numpy. Here, import numpy. I think, I think I don't have numpy installed. Let me just adjust the camera once again. Yeah, that looks perfect. I don't think I have numpy, so I'm going to use cmd and pip install numpy. Got exception. Got it. Do I have Python? No, I don't. I don't have Python. Otherwise, I would be using Python. Wait, what's wrong with this problem? Missing import. Whoa, wait, what is wrong with this? Import numpy. Write a line that sets a variable named x to 5. Okay, wait, I get it. So x equals 5 and y equals 8. What's wrong with this? Let me just ask Gemini. Wait, I don't need this window. Let me just get back to the here. What's wrong? What's wrong in here? I have already installed the numpy. That's the global program files. Still, still not. I don't know what's wrong with this. Okay, wait. PYH. Um, select interpreter. Select interpreter. I need to choose the global one. Okay, now I have global one. Pip section. Bro, what is wrong with numpy? So it's just asking me for the execution for all the time. I don't know why this is happening. I might fix this later, but okay, let me just restart the VS Code and let's see if it works. There we go. There we go. Finally. Whew. Okay. No. I don't know why it's not working. So let's just move into the problem now. Add a variable and set the result. See, alright. So set equals x plus y, and then now save the result of this command. Now save the result of this command to variable name a. A equals numpy dot log to z. So it's basically, let's just see mathematically what it means. So 5 plus that's 13. So it's basically log to the base 213 equals something. So let's say for just reference, let's say it's x. So log to the base 13 is x. So 2 raised to power 13, my bad, I am not that bad at mathematics. So 2 raised to power x should give me 13, you know. So by using this we can find the value. Find for x. Okay, a, and then we could just print a. Okay, all right. log log 16 to the base 2 is 2. What is 2 raised to power 4? Wait, 2 raised to power 4 is 2 raised to power 2 times 2 raised to power 2. That is 4 times 4. That is 4 square. Yeah, so that's 16. No, wait. Wait. No. So it should be 4. So if I change the value for x and y, um, let's say x is 10 and y is 6, and it's not log 2. Yeah, it's log 2. So now the output should be 4. Alright, let's just check one more thing. Print type of a numpy float. So that's a new thing that I've studied. Yeah, that's a new thing. Okay, let's just turn on the timer. So I'm gonna study till 12, and then I'm just gonna watch this video, you know. Where is it? I'm actually gonna watch these two videos once I'm done with the this assignment. Use parity creator program PS0. Okay, all right. Um, let me just rename problem set 0.py problem sets. Okay, and then save a code. Do not ignore timeline collaboration. Write down the number of hours roughly you spend on the problems in the part and the problem set 1 name. Okay, I don't really have to write this because I'm not a student at MIT. That's it. Here we go. So I'm just gonna change it. It was 5 and this was 8, and this was not in the code. So that's the original code that the problem asked me. Let me just have a look at the solution. Material problem sets 0 code. Enter number x. Wait, what? Okay, so it's done with the first. Let's just move on to the problem set 2. ps2. Let's create another file. PS PS1 rename .py. P said, buddy, you don't have a buddy assignment for this. Please do not delete any of the comments. Okay, so introduction to the okay overview. Complete each of the three problems in the respective Python files, PS1A, 1B, and 1C. Okay, rename 1A, PS1B, and PS1C. PS1C, yeah. Okay, so we have PS1A, PS1B, and PS1C. So let's just proceed. Okay, and a tester file to run, make sure is same as folder as, and put in the function. Wait, what? Put in function. Okay, .py. Okay, all right. Collaboration, may work together. Sure. Okay, all right. Saving for a house. So you just graduated from the MIT and have a job. You moved to the Bay Area and decided you want to start saving for a house. Houses are fairly expensive, so you start saving up for the down payments on your dream house. Your goal is to find the number of months it takes to save. The cost of your down payment is calculated by multiplying the cost. Okay, all right. So the down payment, I'm just naming it as DP. Down payment is nothing but multiplying the total cost, so TS total cost times DP percentage. Alright, as it enter the following variables and floats, so they must be initialize yearly salary before declaring other variables. So okay, so we have salary, yearly salary. So OAT, which is going to be input into your annual salary. So the variable should in decimal from 0.1. Wait, what? Cost of the greenhouse. Cost of greenhouse is equals to float. It's going to be input into Portion saved equals, where is it? Floats, input, enter the amount that you are saving. Alright. So it actually says that the variable should in the decimal form. Wait, what does that mean? The variable should be in the decimal form. Oh, alright. So it means for 10%, 0.1. Wait. For 0.1, it's 10%. It means, oh, like, so what is the input? Are we trying to input 10% or 0.1? Let me just ask that from the Gemini because I'm a bit confused. Well, honestly, it really doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. So, so I have just started doing the AR problem solving. Okay, here is the question on your SER screen in the image. Don't tell me the SER solution. I just have one doubt for the portion saved VAI variable. The user will take 0.1 as input or 10 as input. I'm a bit confused, though it does not matter. I just want to know what site will the user give the input. So the user will input values like 0.1 or 0.5 and just by multiplying it by, it should be 100, it it would be 50%, 10%, or so this is like exactly the user will be in the decimal form. Okay. All right. So I'm just creating is nothing but the POR portion saved times 100. Okay. Print your portion saved 2. Let's just test this. Annual salary 0.1. Okay, so we are currently getting the desired output. You need to determine how many months will it take. Yearly salary is described above. Costs. Okay, okay. Determine how many months will it take. So, what was DP? DP was down payment. Mm-hmm. Okay, so down payment. Down payment is nothing but cost of the greenhouse times the saving your portion saved to, you know, because that should be in percentage. So I have to write, so input should be in DCIMAL MAL decimal. Yeah, the input should be in the decimal. Yeah, that's perfect. That looks perfect. Down payment, the percentage of total cost need for the assuming down payment portion equals portion amount. All right, all right, all right, all right. I need to reread the question once more again. Oh my God, what is this question? I'm just literally getting a brain fog right now. I'm literally getting a brain fog. Um, you know, it's 11. It's 11 p.m. right now. Maybe I'm a bit tired. So, see, I'm not giving up, but currently I'm not at my full potential to solve problems. Maybe I could do this tomorrow morning. So, I might stop this recording right now. I literally can't understand this. Saving with a raise. I'll definitely read this problem tomorrow morning off camera and solve this problem on the camera. All right. Good night. Good night for today. I'm just gonna stop the recording. Not gonna do anything right now. Just gonna relax a bit and then I'm gonna sleep.